Sawadee-ka, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook a very healthy style chicken gyro bowl. So it's not original, it's not authentic, we just adapt from what ingredient we could find in the house. Quick and easy and healthy to go. Alright, I've been eating very healthy lately to lose my weight, and this is one of the most dish that I like to eat a lot when I'm on a diet. Right now at the moment I'm craving Greek food. So let's see the ingredient. Now the ingredient you need chicken. I prefer chicken thighs without the bone. And then you need minced garlic. I have frozen them, I'm defrosting them right now. Minced garlic. You need Greek yogurt. And normally you need seasoning, like their own seasoning, but we have this seasoning in the house that we like to use with our grilled chicken. This one is very good. And paprika. Paprika, a little bit, the color is not as red. Here's the color of paprika. It's not as red, and I like it to have that nice red color, so I add a little bit with extra Korean chili. It's not spicy. This is the brand that I use. And I have mint over here. This is Thai mint, so the leaf is very tiny. You can add dill in, but I don't like the dill taste. This one vegetable I don't like was dill. And then you need cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, lime, olive oil, salt. This is the Greek yogurt that I use. I think I have everything ready, so now let's marinating the chicken. I recommend you to marinate the chicken overnight if you could. If not, then just marinate before you prepping everything. Let's start with our Greek yogurt in herb, paprika, and a little bit of Korean chili. I'm gonna add some lime. Now if you have lemon, that's great, but if you use lemon, just make sure you add the lemon zest. But with the lime, you don't have to. Now mix everything together. Until the color is changed. Alright, everything is marinated. Now we're gonna put this in the fridge. Next we're going to cook tzatziki. I'm just gonna make it like very simple. Add Greek yogurt in. Look at the side of the cucumber. Just gonna grate it. I'm just gonna cut the tip of it. Just cut the tip of it like that. And I don't have the sheet grater. I have this one, papaya grater. I'm just gonna grate it. I'm gonna squeeze all the juice out. Okay. Alright, a little bit of garlic, minced garlic. Just a little bit. Olive oil. And now it's up to you. Salt and lime to your taste. Now I'm gonna get some mint and chop them up. If you have a recipe for tzatziki or chicken gyro, you're welcome to comment down below, and I always take a mindful criticize. So if anything you want to recommend me to do or not do, always welcome to comment down below. Perfect. Here we got our tzatziki. Now put this one in the refrigerator. The next step is we want some tomato salad, something sour to spice the dish up. Now let's get this. Let's chop some beautiful, beautiful tomatoes. Chop it how you would like it. Okay. We got our tomatoes looking beautiful. Now I need some onion. Now I'm gonna do the decoration, so I'm gonna slide like this first. Put it in our salad. Oh, as I used to say, always protect your eyes. Wet paper towel. Clean it. Wow. Wet paper towel. Cover this one. Now, seasoning this one with salt and lime. And you can add mint in if you like. And then mix. Set this aside. Next step is to grill chicken. You turn the heat on. Now you can put it in the oven, but today I want that nice seasoning brown, and also today is my first time doing chicken gyro on the pan. Normally I grill it, but today I want that nice burning smoke. Let's see. I'm gonna add olive oil. Let that grill on the pan. Oh wow, see, nice and grill. I like that. I like this one. Now I'm gonna lower the heat a bit. Otherwise we're gonna burn the chicken before we'll be able to eat it. I think the chicken is ready. I'm gonna open it up, turn the heat off, move to here. Okay, look at that. That is, oh wow, that is your grilled chicken right there. Now, let's slide it up and put it in a plate and ready to eat. Oh, the skin is nice and crispy. I don't get this texture with the grill. Yeah. Let's try one chicken. Try the best part. Yummy. Wow. And there you have it. Chicken gyro bowl. I don't know why I got boneless in the plate, but for the night presentation, I loved this so much, so I want to share with you guys. It's not going to be as good as you go eat at Greek, but it will do for the healthy version. And now it's time for test. Let's try the chicken and the rice. I'm going to have a little bit of some tzatziki sauce and the salad. One bite. How do you like this bite? Oh my god. I have this reaction because it gives like different flavor when you grill it on the oven and on the pan. On the pan is so much better. Wow. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Now I'm gonna go eat this. I hope you guys try this one. This is healthy, good for your gut, good for your body, looking good and healthy. If you guys love my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.